Welcome back, guys, to the second tutorial. This is the second video this series, episode 2. What we'll be doing in this session is to add style to our paragraphs and our headings. So let's dive back to our notepad. Now what we need to do is to add some CSS, and if you want to add style to the CSS page, you need to put the style tag first, which I'm going to be doing right now. Close that up, come down here, style, then close it up. There we go. Now we have our style already in place. Let's just title this, give it the same title here, save that. So now I want us to target H1 and H2. So at this point, let's just start up. What you need to do is to come here, type H1, open a curly brace, come down, close the curly brace. In between these curly braces or curly brackets, that is where you add your code. So right now, we'll give it a color. Let's say color, add the column. So at this point, let's just give it one of our primary color, red. Then we put a semicolon here to close the code up. We save it. Then let's just run it on our browser and see what happens. There you go. At this point in time, let's remove this. Don't really need to do that right now. So what I've done is to target H1. So let's just do that for H2. In this case, we change here to H2, save it, refresh here. As you can see, our content is going up very fine. Now if you look at it, the code we are using here is the same. You can decide to give the H2 a different color. We use the primary color just by giving it a blue to automatically change it to blue, as you can see. So that's just good. Now let's go for the paragraphs. All we need to do is just copy one of these. Instead of H, put a P there, which is for our paragraph tag. Then let's give this probably a yellow color. So let's refresh. As you can see, color is yellow, but it's not good for viewing. So let's just give it green. Now if we refresh, here we go. Our test has just come up very good. So I've gone ahead to copy some contents into our work instead of the usual GGG I used outro. So I've added some content right now, but for the styling sake, I want our headers to have a background, which is our H1 and H2. So what we need to do right now, we can just come here and add one more line of code to the header, to the H1 attribute, by adding background color, as you can see here. Let's give this one the purple. Copy the same line of code for the H2, paste it in, save and refresh. There you go. Right now, this heading 1 and heading 2 is having a good background with the content floating within right now. That is good. That is what CSS is capable of doing. So what we need to do next is go up and change this text. Let's make them white so they will be more pronounced instead of the colors that are in there. Save it, go back here. There you go. You can see my first website content area is clearly showing on the headings, heading 1 and heading 2, and our content is having the same. So let's play with the size a bit. Right now they are having text value here. So what we need to do right now is just go back and add a little size. We have one more line of code to the paragraph called the font size. So here, font size, let's give it 26 pixel. Save it. Let's preview. There you go. Our words are bolder right now and looking great. Now if you look at this, the site is coming up little by little compared to when we started. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple selectors when writing the rules in CSS. So see you in the next video. Thank you.